work, I guess.
Hey guys, so I know it's been a minute. We've been doing road work, and of course, if you've seen my story, you've seen that my truck is parked at my house, and that's the service truck out the window right there. So my truck is parked at my house, and we've been doing this road job up in Stanwood, and it's been kind of hectic. But good hectic, just not really any time to shoot anything. So I'm gonna try this morning to get a couple of shots of what I'm up to. But basically, as far as I know, I'm just gonna be hauling in material from the pit where we're getting the spec material into the job, and the rest of the trucks are doing dirt hauls and hauling out broken asphalt and broken concrete and those types of things. But because my truck has more capacity, I'm the one that's doing a little bit longer run to bring material in because they're doing everything solo as well. But I'm going to get some shots of that, and we're going to see how that goes. And I don't know if it's going to be a super long video today, but we're going to try for something finally. Alright guys, I don't know if you can tell in the video, but I think the main problem with having your truck parked at your house is your cats think it's a freaking climbing toy. There's little freaking cat prints everywhere. I don't even know how they got up there. Freaking cats.
way it'll work, I guess.
Probably right. Okay guys, as you can tell, I didn't get that much on video today. Things did get kind of hectic as the day went on, and you know, I only really got the first load on video. But I thought I'd post that up and show it to you guys. And then, so this weekend, I'm gonna really need to clean out my truck and get ready for Monday, because things are changing on Monday. And I can't tell you what's gonna happen on Monday until it actually happens. So I guess this is my teaser. But if you guys made it this far, like and subscribe. And of course, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.